Hey everyone, welcome back to Mr. Wonder How. Today, I'll show you how to change the Local Derived Data Cache, DDC, location in Unreal Engine 5. This is super useful if you want to move the cache to another drive for better performance or to free up space on your main disk. Let's jump right in. Before we begin, let's quickly go over why you might want to do this. The DDC can take up a lot of storage over time. Moving it to an SSD can speed up asset loading. Keep your project files and cache separate. Locate the default DDC folder. By default, the local DDC is stored in. Now, let's move it to another drive. Open Unreal Engine and go to Editor Preferences, Global, Derived Data Cache. In the local DDC path field, enter the new location. Restart Unreal Engine to apply the changes. For even better performance, I highly recommend moving the DDC. It speeds up asset loading significantly, especially in large projects. And that's it. You've successfully changed your local DDC location in Unreal Engine 5. If this tutorial helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more game dev tips. Also, check out my Patreon for exclusive content and source files. Link in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy coding!